Have you ever ordered something online to pick it up in a store? That is the essence of O2O commerce. O2O stands for online to offline. It describes a business strategy that draws potential customers from online channels to physical stores. Most shoppers now start their journey on a smartphone, researching products online before ever stepping foot in a retail location. Businesses use these tools to bridge the gap between digital convenience and the tactile experience of shopping in person. While e-commerce is entirely online, O2O intentionally uses physical locations to complete the sale or service. The popularity of these services has surged, as customers increasingly value the speed of same-day pickup over waiting for home delivery. The goal is to provide a seamless experience, making sure the transition from digital research to physical purchase is as smooth as possible. Understanding O2O helps you see how modern retail operates. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay curious about how money and markets work.